Jay Blades, 52, finally tied the knot with fiancée Lisa Zbozen this weekend. The repair shop star was emotional as he described having tunnel vision when it came to his new wife. The furniture restorer hugged Lisa in front of 15 guests on the grounds of a stunning beachfront villa in Barbados on Tuesday, November 22, it has been revealed. The BBC presenter admitted the occasion was a perfect day as he gushed about his bride. "We had our closest family there, the weather held out and everything worked out so well," he said. Fitness trainer Lisa added, "Once you get to a certain age, you realize what's actually important on the day, and that is having the people around you that love you for who you are. So we made the day our day." Jay also described how he shed a tear as the couple exchanged their vows and revealed this moment was the most emotional part. "It was almost like I had tunnel vision and I could only see Lisa there," he added. "And honestly, that's when it really hit me. I was like, we're really getting married now," he told Hello magazine. Jay sparked excitement online when he announced his engagement to Lisa just before Christmas last year. The repair shop star told fans at the time, "Good afternoon all. Lunchtime treat. It gives me great pleasure to announce that I got engaged to Lisa Zbozen. We wanted to share this news with you as we are very happy and hope to bring the same happiness your way. Ring designed by me and made by @RTFJ, Jay added, tagging ring creator and the repair shop co-star Richard Tallman. Richard wrote, "It was a real honor to make this engagement ring for another one of my #repair shop family. Congratulations to Lisa @Lisa Zbozen and Jay @Jay Blades on your engagement." Jay was previously married to his ex-wife Jay, with whom he shares 15-year-old daughters Ola. The pair met at university, but he left their family home over 6 years ago when their marriage broke down in 2015. In a previous interview, Jay said at the age of 25 he had 2 other children with different partners. "I didn't even think about settling down," he told the Daily Mail. "Growing up, I only knew of 2 families where the mum and dad were married. I loved the ladies I was with but things didn't work out and I moved on, even though I always stayed in touch with my children. I didn't want to be like my father."